We see digital impacting companies in three big ways. The first is with digital customer, where digital disrupts customer interaction and customer channels in the way that companies deal with their customers.
67% of consumers in China believe companies' primary motive for innovation is simply to drive profit. Companies have to overcome this skepticism. Consumers want reassurance that innovation is going to benefit them or society.
Previously, it took months, even years, for customer behavior and therefore their expectations to change. Nowadays, these changes can happen overnight.
Streaming music on Spotify and getting what we want on Netflix, we are now expecting our physical world experiences to have the same level of immediacy and variety.
Customer expectations for the first time ever cross industry boundaries. We call this liquid expectations. Uber has basically trained us to expect a seamless experience when we travel. Nowadays, people are not willing to wait anymore multiple days or even weeks to get an appointment with their doctors. If they do not get that seamless experience that they've seen in other industries, they will quite happily change their physician as well.
Customers just want to get things done. They're looking for more efficient, more seamless ways to live their lives.
A growing number of physical world transactions are far more likely to occur if the transaction can in some way be initiated on a mobile device.
The big issue on every business's mind right now is digital. Every business and every industry needs to find their own pathway to get through it. And the challenge that a lot of companies have is how do they deal with that gap between the current business and the new business.
Develop a mobilization capacity. It's actually about getting stuff from the bottom up and using that energy to fuel your model.
Put the consumer at the center, to empower the consumer in terms of how their data is used and valued.
It's about stepping back further and understanding what the deeper needs of your customers are and looking at innovative ways to solve those challenges as opposed to just doing the incremental things your existing customers want you to do.